What is up, my crafty friends? My name is Carrie, and I want to welcome you back to my channel today. Y'all, I've got the Cricut out today, and I'm going to show y'all really quickly in this video some of the materials that this powerful machine can cut. Whether it's your first visit or you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome, my friend. So the Cricut Explore Air 2 can actually cut hundreds of different materials, but I'm going to share a few of my favorites with you today. Some of these you are probably aware of, but I may even throw in a couple that you're not. So if you want to find out what all this machine can do, keep watching this video. And if you enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up because that would mean the world to me. Before we jump in, I want to say a big thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Here, every time I open this, it's like, whoa! It's so pretty. I never get tired of this gorgeous mint green color. I am just so in love with this little machine. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button down below and turn on all those notifications if you don't want to miss anything I've got coming your way. That's enough talking, y'all. Let's go see what this machine can cut. You're probably already familiar with cutting vinyl, but did you know that Cricut also has lots of different iron-on vinyl options? So you've got your everyday iron-on vinyl, you've got holographic vinyl. Isn't that pretty? This totally reminds me of a mermaid or something. Isn't that beautiful? And they also do lots of fun patterns. I love this buffalo plaid. This is probably one of my favorite ones. This is still iron-on, and in that color, pretty. I think the red and black buffalo check is totally on trend, and that's one thing that I really appreciate with all the patterns. They're always in style. And without a doubt, my very favorite is this glitter. Y'all, I love glitter. It makes me so happy. And being able to personalize my clothes and everything without having to get messy with loose glitter and glue is a great option. So now you get to have all that sparkle without any of the mess. So glitter iron-on vinyl is definitely one of my favorites. Now another obvious choice is going to be cardstock. I really enjoyed this cardstock from Cricut because you can also buy solid colors in bulk, but there's also these really pretty patterns. Another material that's really gaining popularity are the infusible ink transfer sheets, especially with the brand new Cricut mug press that just came out. So now let's talk about a few things you may or may not know that you can cut with this Cricut, and that is genuine leather. Now you can get the genuine leather, or Cricut also offers a not so genuine. It's like a pleather, man-made leather, and it is equally as pretty. But without a doubt, the dark brown and the camel in these leathers are my favorite. Look how soft and supple that is. And it cuts beautiful. You don't even have to cut it with the deep cut blade. You can just cut it with the regular one. Another thing that I really enjoy cutting with my Cricut is this craft board. The reason I enjoy using the craft board is the color is actually all the way through. So when you go to score and you want to bend this, you're not going to be stuck, especially on the black one. You're not going to be stuck with white lines. Craft board comes in so handy when you're making little boxes and things. I really enjoy cutting craft board. Felt is also another fun option. I do like that I don't have to use my deep cut blade for this. It's a thick felt. It comes in so many different colors, and I have used this felt so much. And last but not least, y'all, we've got party foil. A lot of people forget that Cricut actually makes a party foil, but what more fun thing to make for a party than your own personalized decorations. Another super fun thing to do with the party foil is to make your own confetti. How fun is that? And it's so pretty. Look at that. Let me know down in the comments below what's your favorite material that you can cut with your Cricut. Do you have the Maker, or do you have the Explore Air 2 like I do, or do you have the Joy? I would love to hear some of your favorite things that may or may not be so obvious. I also really quickly want to show you the entire list that you can cut. I'll be sure to put a link to this down in the description box below if you want to check it out. I love this list because it gives you the name of the material that you can cut, and it also tells you which blade you need to cut and the pressure that you need to cut it on, and also how many passes you need to get a clean cut. So this is a great guide. So be sure to check the description box below so you can put that on your bookmarks. That does it for today's video, y'all. I really hope you enjoyed it. These are just a few of my favorite things that I've cut so far with my Cricut. There's hundreds and hundreds out there, and I've made it my goal to try every single one of them. This little machine is so powerful. And yes, I know that we can cut all of these same materials with a pair of scissors, but y'all, if there's one thing I've learned as I've gotten older, it's that I want to work smarter and not harder. I've worked hard in my younger days, and now I'm ready to work smarter. All right, y'all, so now that you know the materials that you can cut with this powerful machine, I bet you're asking yourself, okay, that's all cool, but how can I make money with it? I'm going to show you in the next video exactly how to do that. So if you want to find out how to make money with your Cricut Explorer 2, be sure to tune in for the next video. Until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.